Your body, your emotions, your energy, they're all connected. They must be in harmony to operate at their best. I want to talk about how they can help you live your best life. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're here for the first time, thank you for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It would help us out so much. Thank you. Everything is connected. Not just some things, not just when it's convenient. Everything is connected. You have a physical body, an emotional body, and an energy body. And the truth is, your well-being is woven through all three of them. But here's the thing. Most people only focus on one, their physical body. We work out, we check the mirror, we worry about how we look, and we chase after outward health and appearance. But we ignore what's happening beneath the surface. Your emotional body and your energy body are just as real. They are just as powerful. They are just as important to your overall health, and maybe even more so. When your energy or your emotions are hurting, your physical body can't stay untouched for long. It will eventually respond. This is why sometimes, even when everything looks good on the outside, people feel sick inside, drained and exhausted. Because it's not just about the body. Your body is a messenger. Your body is showing you the state of your emotional and energy systems all the time. If you're feeling stressed, if you're sad, if you're carrying heavy emotions, your energy drops. You start to feel tired. You feel disconnected. And when that low energy goes untreated, over time, it settles into the physical form of your body. Think about it like a garden. If the roots are weak or poisoned, the flowers eventually wither, no matter how much you water the soil. So the real question to ask when you aren't feeling your best isn't just, what's wrong with my body? It's, what's happening in my emotions? What's happening in my energy? Because guess what? Your emotions shape your energy, and your energy shapes your body. It is the mind that makes the body. If you're constantly sad, worried, fearful, your energy field gets weighed down. Your light gets dimmer. And then your physical body follows that pattern. But here's the good news, and it is really good news. When you work on lifting your emotional state, when you tend to your energy, that's your garden, when you nourish your inner world, your physical body can begin to heal too. Even small shifts matter. Choosing laughter, choosing joy, choosing connection, choosing activities that fill you up instead of draining you. I'm not talking about avoiding your emotions or slapping a fake smile over pain. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about giving your inner self the same love and attention you so easily give to your outer self. Tend to your emotions, care for your energy, and your body will thank you, because everything is connected. If this message resonated with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Maybe share one small thing you're doing right now to care for your emotional and energy bodies. And of course, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this reminder today. Remember, the healthier your inner world becomes, the brighter your outer world shines. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, tap that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I post new content.